Hello, hello. Hello, hello. Hello, hello. Hello, hello. Hello, hello. Why is it so? Hello, hello. Why is it so? Very quiet. Very quiet. Gain filter. Gain filter. Filters. Test 1, 2, 3. Test 1, 2, 3. Testing, testing. Testing, testing. Okay, what about this? Okay, what about this? Oh, it's actually way better. Okay, what about this? Oh, it's actually way better. Oh, it's actually way better. Copy filters. Just a little bit. Copy filters. Just a little bit. Okay. Hopefully this is not too loud. Okay. Hopefully this is not too loud. Hopefully this is not too loud. Is it good? Oh, I gotta test this way. Is it good? Oh, I gotta test this way. Testing with music. Testing with music. Oh, I gotta test this. Testing with music. Testing with music. Oh, I gotta test this. Testing with music. Testing with music. Alright, this is fun. Okay, well, sorry about that. Welcome to the stream. Man, should announce it. Rewards. Alright, I should update this. Okay, dismiss. Alright, so I don't really have a plan, but we could... I wanted to set up some respawn points. Because that seems to be, like, a lot of people ask for it. And it makes sense to add it now. So... yeah, I guess I just gotta pick a respawn first. Or actually see how the dying is handled and stuff. Don't remember what I changed. Okay. What? Dead state? Respawn. And the default respawn point is... right, the tutorial. Which makes sense. So I guess... it would make sense to put a respawn point in here. Oh, did I already have that kind of assigned? not assigned, but being used, maybe? If not null, then use this. Oh, I guess I already kind of set it up. I just forgot to actually put a respawn point. And my scene view stopped working again. Very fun. Thank you, Unity. Do I not have a respawn? Okay. Actually, I need it here. Okay, let's just put it. Yeah, let's just put it in front of this guy for now. Okay, hopefully that just works. And then later on, I think I want to put like more respawn points, like after you do a quest or something like that. Like I definitely want to put more respawn points, or like you could choose your respawn point, I should say. Okay, let me just. Key not found. Let's see. Oh, right, I need a. Let's see, settings. Default settings. And then I'm pretty sure the default value for this is a bool. I mean, yeah, it's got to be a bool. Okay, that should fix that one. Do I have any way of just murdering myself? Fortunately, probably not. Okay. So I'm just gonna set my health to 1 and then die. Oh, I've been killed. Oh, interesting. It like tried to load the tutorial when it shouldn't have. Oh, I see. Okay. Then I also need to set the respawn.scene to the game object scene. Right. Let's just use the scene name. Alright, let's see. Right, I'm in the middle of the ocean. Okay. Attack this dude. And I die and... Nice. Try just teleporting somewhere super far, like... Oh my god, this scene view bug is so freaking annoying. Gotta map this stuff out too. And of course, I can't freaking select or do anything in the scene view. It's so frustrating. I gotta fix this. Okay, well, I think it works. Fairly certain that it works. Oh my god. Okay. So... Okay, those are good. We'll now respawn in Frontier. Epic. Alright, I'll fix some of this mapping stuff. Oh, well, this is kind of... Maybe I'll put some stuff in front. So like you can't walk there and then it won't be noticeable. I think that would be ideal. This would also be good to make this garbage area look more like a garbage area. Okay. Don't want to use the bags because, yeah. See, I actually have some fencing that I probably need to make a rule tile out of. So yeah, let's do that. Oh my god, this scene takes so long to save. Or, actually it's a little complicated because these are kind of almost like two tiles up here. So I would need to make it... Oh, I guess this one is... I don't know, I feel like I need to change this a little bit so it's not... so it's not two tiles. Basically like how this one is. But, okay, I'll worry about that later, I suppose. Let's get rid of this guy. This guy. Read this guy. Okay. Actually, it doesn't need to be that complicated. Just put it like this. It's kind of like a little designated area for it. Maybe a little bit longer. Okay, I don't really have a plan of what to do today. I just felt like streaming, honestly. So we could look at these bugs. Diagon Boya. Yeah, okay, that was good. You can stack deposit X windows when you right click. Okay, let's see. What if I can make this window like always on top? What does this mean? Oh, it's not at all what I wanted. Alright, let's check it out. I think I also forgot to change the stream title. Because I'm not optimizing combat. Okay, there we go. Yeah. Bank. Object reference messed up. Okay. Input is wrong. Is that what it is? Quantity? Yeah. Oh, so it's just missing all the references. That's fun. Okay, so input, submit, cancel, yeah, positive, destroy. Okay, looks good to me. Alright, I gotta change the scene because the scene is so huge. Maybe that's another thing I could try to do is, I was thinking of kind of breaking up this scene into smaller scenes, kind of. So like Frontier, like this area would be its own scene. And basically when you like walk in range, it'll load the scene for you. Yeah. And then same thing for like these other towns, like this one, this one, this one. Maybe even the Mesa itself could be its own scene because it's just so much stuff going on here. It's a big important area. But yeah. Okay, that should be good. Let's try it again. I also forgot to turn back on my quick enter, fast enter play mode. Okay. Alright, let's see, bank. Oh. What the heck? Right, it's a byte. Yeah, just put in this easy save stuff so it works with because WebGL was not saving the player prefs. And I think that's because I hosted on itch.io, and I think every time you upload a new build on itch.io, it kind of like resets some hash or something wherever the file system is stored. So it's, yeah, it never saves. So this is like a way I can kind of tell it where to save without it. Wait, is that what I meant? No. Whatever, it saves, basically. Okay, so I don't know why it wasn't giving a problem before, but now it is, so whatever, that's fine. Bank tab button. Actually, let's look at this. Where it was being saved. Oh yeah, the index is a byte. Yeah, it's kind of annoying. Like, why not just cast it? Just cast it to a byte or something without... There's probably a setting for this. But whatever, that's fine. I don't think it would actually mess anything up. underground so we can see the sewer. Which I'll also probably work on finishing the walls and stuff. Maybe set up some enemies, some new enemies we were thinking about. Okay. No problems. Okay, so hit this. 35. Okay, so basically they're saying yeah, I keep spawning new ones. Okay. It's good to confirm. Alright, now how are we gonna fix this? Withdraw X. Also, I probably should just left it open. But I want to see like where it gets parented and stuff. It's probably just on the canvas, right? Yeah. I think. Oh, you can't drag it. Oops, wrong window. So yeah, you right click, hit withdraw X here. Then it creates a quantity input on the UI manager. So basically I want it to not do that. I want it to instead maybe close one if it exists already. Oh, maybe I'll do this. I don't know why I'm using that one, but okay. Can I do release asset? I can check if quantity is valid. Operation is valid. Probably need to breakpoint this because I always forget how this works. Is done, I think. Then you want to release the instance. Maybe I guess I could cache the instance as well. Actually, it would also make sense to have it static, so there's only one at a time. It's like if an input's already open, I'll just get rid of it and then. Let's try this first though. I'm not sure if this is gonna work. I probably need to like cache the instance somewhere and then release the instance. Okay. Yeah, no, it didn't work. Pretty much what I thought. Yeah, so I do have to cache the instance somewhere. I guess it does make sense to have just one static instance of it. Okay, let's set up the instance. Because, yeah, there should only ever be one, so. I wonder what happens if I... Alright, I'll try this later, but I wonder what happens if I like try to close the bank with this open. I wonder if this will also close. Or it'll probably do nothing. So basically... maybe this. If the instance is not null, then I need to... then that's another thing with statics. I have to like clear it here too. Okay. This is why I hate statics. I'd rather just use the instance finder, honestly, that Fishnet provides. So, okay. Instance finder.register instance. Quantity input. And then I just do instance finder. And then I still need to release it here, but that's fine. Register instance, UI quantity input. There you go. I guess it would also make sense, instead of spawning this in as an addressable, it's like just have it in the scene. But obviously the benefit is being able to update the addressable whenever and just have it load as it should. Okay, so release instance UI quantity input dot game object, right? Okay. And then let's also open the thing. Where is it? Ah, the event viewer. The deprecated but very useful event viewer. Send profiler events must be enabled. Oh, it's not. That's so funny. It's like the page is... Oh man, it's such a Unity thing to do. Send profiler events, right? Is that what it said? Yeah, it did. Okay, cool. Okay, yeah, we'll keep it open because I just want to make sure it actually gets released once it closes and whatever. Okay, so now /bank, open the bank. Bank opens, whatever. Withdraw. Okay, so now if I do another withdraw. Oh, yeah, it's working now. That's beautiful. Alright, let's see if it actually does work. Silver ingot 1. And then let's try to do an X on this, and then an X on this one, and try that. Okay, cool. Very nice. And then I also wanted to try closing. Oh, it like blocks all input. That's nice. Okay. And it's getting released properly. So this one is not, is it? Okay, that's something I should resolve. We'll worry about that right now. Or I guess after I push this. Okay, so that's fixed. Okay. Fixed stacking posit. Should be more specific to the right click. Posit X. Bank windows. Okay. I guess I'm out of bounds, that's why it's being weird. Here, let me go to a normal place. Update sorting order is messed up. Why? On the mixing table. Couldn't create adapter for mixing table. I don't get it. It's right here. Okay, let's fix this, I guess. And then we'll move on to the other thing. Mixing. Oh, it's like spawned as a child of it. So I actually need the thingy. The thingy? Oh yeah, I guess it's spawning from here. Oh, I'm generating this at runtime. I don't know. I don't know why I always do this kind of stuff. It's like, why not just make a prefab? Like, just make a prefab. It's easier. I think that's what I'm gonna do actually. It's kind of doesn't make sense just to do it that way. Okay, let's do that. Client. Sorry if the RuneScape music is too loud, please let me know. But yeah, hopefully it also doesn't get copyright. Yeah. And it spawns it as multi-bench Y sort. This thing. Wait, what? Multi-bench. This thing. Probably on this one. Okay. Yeah, I made this a very long time ago because I was doing this equals null stuff. And that was because in 2021, I think, LTS, it had some annoying warnings that would keep popping up unless you assign a null explicitly. So very old, that's probably from the beginning of the project, honestly. Visual parent. And then the visual parent would be this thing. So let's assign it now before I forget. Okay, so it actually spawns it on this thing, so yeah, set parent, position, whatever. Needs a sprite renderer, and it needs a Y sort, and that's it. I wonder if I have like a prefab for this already. Maybe I ought to make one. Put on Y sort, has this. Yeah, maybe I'll just make a generic one for this. Call it SR Y sort. Or maybe it's better to call it Y sort SR, since I'll have multiple. Okay, I have a prefab, private Y sort. Prefab, I don't know. Nice visual prefab, I don't know. So var y sort, var visual equals instantiate visual prefab, and then you put it on the visual parent. That's handled, that's handled. Visual dot name. This is not an issue, right? It's all zeroed out. It's on the Y sort layer. Sort offset is 1. And then this is sprite renderers. I guess it's safe to assume that it has a sprite renderer. Thank you. SR, and then I'll load it in, add it. Okay, very nice. Yeah. Alright, cool. Let's see. Hopefully there's no problems. I think before I was actually spawned like way off the map. So let's do that and try relogging. Oh, I have just another little bug here. Alright, so that's that, and then I unstuck. And it works, no bug, no errors, that's nice. Let's make sure it's actually spawning correctly. Looks like it is. Got on my multi-bench. Alright, cool. Okay. Fix multi-bench. Visual spawning errors. Okay. Yeah, the bank loading stuff. Oh my god. I remember why I had to leave it off now. I'm not sure when this started happening. Basically there's a memory leak or something. But it's only in the editor because I'm like restarting everything in the editor constantly. It's just I don't know where I'm not unassigning the event. But yeah, I don't know. Maybe we'll take a look at it too. If it happens again. I think it's when I try like loading in and stuff. Like when I try relogging and it has that error that it did before. Alright, the bank. Let's grab one gun. Event viewer. So basically, it loaded it 3 times for some reason. And if I deposit it... Okay, that's clear. Okay, it loaded it. Again, now it's 4 times, so it's definitely leaking. He leaking. Okay. If I deposit it, it still remains 2, and then I assume like if I... Actually, I can expand this. Okay. If I withdraw, it'll be 5 now. Right? Yeah. And then depositing it will go back down to 3. Yeah, okay. This is definitely a leak somewhere with the withdrawing and stuff. Okay, let's see. Withdraw. If it's no return. Yeah, something else I've been meaning to do is the only reason I have to load it is to check if the item is stackable. So it almost feels like better to just include it in the actual struct that is synced over the network. Might waste like a little bit more data, but it's just like, it's so annoying loading stuff just to check if they're stackable. And I use that pretty much everywhere. Like stackable logic. Okay, so this is one. It's getting loaded here. And I assume this is the one that never gets unloaded because, yeah, it doesn't look like it is. Alright, let's try this. Let's try just making a handle. Handle.wait. And then addressables.release. Whoa, best viewers. Yes. That's exactly what I want. So yeah, the handle loads it, then you wait for it, and then you release the handle, and the item should still persist. I guess I could also breakpoint it and see, but I think it'll be fine. Okay, clear. Open the bank. Clear. Okay, let's try taking the rifle out. Then depositing. Oh, yeah, I guess that's what it was. I just wasn't clearing it. Goes up to 2 for some reason. Then I unload it. Then, let's see, is it still 2? Yes, it is. Question is, why is it loading twice now? I think I know why. It's so I'm loading it once here, and then when actually adding it to the inventory, then the inventory also loads it. So if I close this, let's say I open the bank again, will it unload? Deposit. Oh yeah, it does. Cool. Cool. What if I drop it? Oh, it also does unload. So it actually is loading twice somewhere. Sorry, I had to cough. It's still loading 2. So I'm guessing it's trying to load. So my guess is that, Yeah, this, and then it caches it somewhere as well. Don't remember where. Oh, actually, it might be in the player inventory. Yeah, item cache. Okay. And then this does also happen on the server, like it loads it here. I guess it's not a big deal. At least not right now. So that's nice. I get this thing, and it says to report it to the guy, but I don't know. It's really hard to tell what's actually wrong. Okay. So that's that. Okay. So I guess we're on to the next one. Clicking options button, side panel, keep opening menus. Okay, probably related issue like before. Okay, maybe we could check this out. Time manager, blah blah blah. Enemy idle state. Oh, it's actually in the state machine. Or I should say here. State machine. Also get rid of these because not very performant. Okay, so maybe this is not unsubscribing. For some reason, it's not getting called. Like, I really don't know why. Checking move validity. Yeah, this is being called from here. So I feel like this, it's just not like unsubscribing from this event. I just don't know why it wouldn't. I wonder if... Like, I'm also doing it in on disable, so... This is a mono behavior. This thing just exists in the scene. I wonder if I can do like pre-game tick equals null. Can I do that? Will this actually clear everything? Forgive me for my lack of C# skills. Oh. To settings, system action, remove listeners. Oh, is it? Do I have any anonymous wrappers? I don't think I do. I don't believe I do. Because that's that. That's a named method. Yeah, I think they're all just named methods. I definitely don't want to do this reflection stuff, but it might be okay. It might be okay because it's just one thing here. It's just like one object calling it, so it might be fine. And if you own the event, you can just do this. Is that true? So this would work? It has a lot of upvotes, so I'm guessing that I can do it? Or is this just for event handlers and not system actions? Get invocation list. I guess I could log it, right? On pregame tick dot invocation list dot length. Well, I'm assuming that, you know, the length will get to 0, but does it really unsubscribe? Like, that's the main thing. I don't want there to be a memory leak by me doing this. Security critical. Invocation list is logically null. Okay, we're getting into territory where I don't really understand all this stuff. Yeah, I'm like pretty sure this is just gonna be 0. Yeah, I guess we'll just try this. Shouldn't be a huge issue since it's just an editor, but oh my god, why does everything need AI? So annoying. Damn, I feel like I'm really bitchy today. I'm complaining a lot about everything. Alright, I'll try to relax. Keyword try. Alright. Okay, let's try just closing it and then running it again. Play. I don't know if that fixed it, but we'll see. If it pops up again, we'll just worry about it. Alright, the option menu thingy. Bam. Yeah. Great. It's my favorite thing. Okay. It's probably again the UI manager, settings. Yeah, create option menu. I don't think this is necessary. Yeah, it's released when you close it, but I guess I'll do the instance finder thing again. Yeah, UI game options. Then on destroy. So instance finder dot unregister UI game options. Okay. Why did I do this opening stuff? Oh, I'll just leave it. I'll just leave it. I don't really remember. I don't want to break stuff. Okay, so here I guess here's where I should register it. Maybe put a debounce on the side panel button as well. So then here, I guess here I could do it in on awake. Let's have these in order. Let's finder.register this. Okay, and then put a debounce on the side panel. Oops. Okay. Oh my god. It's really hard not to complain and be bitchy when like the scene view doesn't work. Like this, I feel like this thing just annoys me beyond all repair. Oh, well that works, surprisingly. It's just a scroll and the handles, I guess, that work, but everything else does not work in the freaking scene view, and it's so freaking annoying. Anyway. Settings, debounce. Yeah, just give it a whatever, that's fine. Oh yeah, I never actually did anything with this. Oops, my bad. Okay, I guess I'll just check if it exists. So if instance finder, I'll try get instance. I guess has instance? Okay. Do like game options, just return. Means it's open already. I bet the cash shop does the same exact thing. I bet it does. Oh yeah, maybe we should check on Task Manager to keep track of this. Whatever, this seems about right. 22 and then almost 7k. We'll call it 6k just in case it goes up. Yeah, does it also happen to the cash? Settings, click it, nothing happens, great, that's perfect. This one though, shop? What is it called, store? I think I called it store, yeah. Oh yeah, it does it for that too, that's funny. Okay, I guess we'll do the same logic for this as well. Call from child, whatever it's called, button. Cash tab button. Opening. Okay, and it's called Cash Shop. I think it's called Playfab Store. Prefabs. Am I blind? Yes. Okay. Playfab Store. Okay. It's probably a nicer way to do this, but can't be helped. Let's find their .register. This, then on destroy. Okay. Guy manager. Yeah. Okay, that should do it. I'm gonna put a debouncer on that as well. Cash tab, debouncer. Is there anything else that I spawn? Store. Yeah, that one's good. That side panels. This thing? Maybe this thing? Oh no. I mean, I guess this one should be on top, shouldn't it? Logout confirmation, right? Set as... Yeah, set as last sibling on open. Oh, I guess it needs to be outside of the safe area. Like if I put it here, I click that, then I click this. Oh, this says still as actually last. Oh yeah, this is all super old code. Says last sibling. Log out. do log out. Where's the logout button? Oh, it just sets it active. No wonder. What it should do is call open. So now if I do this and this, oh, it just doesn't work now. Why would that be? Maybe I needed both? Oh. Oh my god. Okay. Yeah. Log out and then log out confirmation. Confirmation box not open. Maybe that's how. I don't feel like recompiling. I'm just gonna leave it. I think that should be good. Huh, no, still not. Okay, my guess is that it still needs to just be on the outside of the safe area. Because the option spawns. Okay. So it should be outside the safe area. And it's stretched, so it's fine. Let's check this. What the f... Oh. Bruh, that's mad annoying. Okay. I don't remember why like half of these need like a different sorting order. Like a canvas sorting order. Like I should just be able to like change the parent thing, but whatever. So I wonder if that would actually work if I left it in the safe area. I'm just curious. Let's just try it. I love wasting my time. Oh, yeah, there you go. Yes, log out. Cool. Did everything unload? Is the real question. Log in. Okay, well, not everything unloaded, which kind of makes sense. Scene. That's fine. This is like localization. Main camera is always alive. That's always alive. Character creation barber. I don't know about that, but I think that might be fine too. Because that's to do with character creation, which is always active, I think. So, oops. Yeah, I mean that worked too, so it's fine. Cash shop, log out, confirmation, always on top. Okay. These books have been here forever. I just like glance over them. This could have been, yeah, the client dialog bug. Oh, actually this has to do with variables, so let's... Oh yeah, hold on. I need to get my phone. 1 second. I'm still here, I promise. Okay, still doing this authentication stuff. Just 1 second. Okay. Display. Okay, cool. Do I have a result here? No. Dead? Okay. So I guess we could just play with his dialogue straight up. Wesley. Oh my god, why is this... I don't know why Unity keeps making shit pop up on my screen. Okay. So what do I need? Need River Dead. And the quest needs to be complete. Do I have quests? Okay, this is 25. Current task is 2, which means it's complete. I guess I just don't have the variable. Okay, cool. Hopefully that'll work. You just teleport to him, Wesley. TP 12 minus 70. Okay, talk to him. Stone sent me. Yeah, seems to work. Okay, cool. That's nothing. These are not a concern. Oh, I just saw a water wave spawn on the land. That's something I need to fix. Water wave. Wave. Okay. If only I could drag the scene around, that would help a lot. If only I was allowed to by Unity. How the heck did it end up on the land? This is not even close to the land. Oh, it must be an editor thing because technically this is off the coast of Boya, so if both scenes are loaded, it's gonna show it. Okay, so it's not a problem. It's not a problem, thankfully. Okay, another thing I wanted to actually change is reducing the max particles. 10 maybe? Because there's too many waves, I noticed. Okay. Alright, well, this is just not... It's not an issue. It must have been something else, which I've probably fixed. These are mobile bugs. Search query and workbench. Okay, let's do that. Here, I guess, some workbench. Is it? I don't think it is. I wonder if it's just certain ones that I maybe did it by accident. Search filter. Okay, search filter. It's gotta be somewhere in here. Alright, that one's fine. Let's try this one. Tin, dagger. I mean, yeah. Tin, Ingo. Yeah, I mean, this is fine. Wow, that's a lot of stats on this list now, huh? After I did the rebalance. Combat rebalance. Yeah, I'm not seeing... I'm not seeing this problem. I wonder if it's a bank thing. On search filter, ignore case. Alright, well, bank seems fine. Crafting. They all ignore case. Okay. Is that it? Really? No way. Unless I call it something else somewhere else. Yeah, just take 20 years to find some words. Thank you, Microsoft. Alright, well, I'm assuming it's not going to find anything, because... Screw it. Filter. There's like a bunch of stuff with the word filter. Yeah, I can't. Okay. I'm like half wondering if... I probably should have put a script on this, but... I don't know. And have this filter stuff too, so it's all in one spot. I mean, I don't know. Maybe they were just mistaken, so... Goodbye to that. Oh, maybe multi-bench. No, it uses crafting UI as a part of it, so no, it would still be the same. Players online command. Yeah, getting a way to set your spawn points, yeah, that would be nice. This one should be easy. To fix the chat thingy. Of course I can't click. Let me hide. Move this boy. Okay. Chat output, chat this, channel drop down. And this one. Cannot change the font size. Maybe I could change the font itself. So it's the thinner one. Oh. Oh, actually no, hold on. The light one. Oh yeah, that could be it. That could be a good solution. I do like the bold one better. I'm trying to wonder if I can sacrifice anymore. Any more space here? Oh, that's not it. I kind of want to make this one a little bit bigger. 14, 14. Okay, just sacrifice one little thing. Is it still pixel perfect? Oh, actually vertically it's not pixel perfect, but yeah, let's see if we can fix that. That is a weird ass emoji. Like, why is it half here? Oh, could it be the... No. Like, these are all, like, perfect, like, integers, so I really don't know why I would be complaining. Is it the parent, then? Horizontal could be the parent for sure. Put some spacing there, I realized. He's actually controlling the height. I don't think I want it to, but I don't think that changed anything either. Does it expand? Oh, okay. There's nothing here that's... Well, this is also kind of a half, which is also wrong. Ah. So maybe it's actual chat that's messed up. For whatever reason. Even though they are all whole numbers, so I'm not sure why I would be doing this. 122.8. Do I have like padding here or something that messes it up? Paragraph. Okay, right. Would this be an issue? Oh crap, the paragraph actually is an issue. So does this need to be like 16? Oh shoot, I did not even realize that was a problem. Well, look, it's still not pixel perfect, so it's not like it matters. It's not like you see like halfway through the pixel. Let's see. Oh, this pixel perfect stuff confuses the heck out of me sometimes. No, it's not that. Okay, I wonder if I just like reset. Oh my god. Oh, I thought I messed something up. I was like, what is this? It scared me. Okay. Um, yeah, why wouldn't it? Oh, now the editor seems to work. That's nice. Oh, never mind, I lied. It's just the movement. I forgot. Yeah, look, it's like slightly off. Oh, probably because I just messed it up. Yes, sir, I did. It's still slightly off. Alright, let's try just getting rid of all this nonsense and see if that fixes it. No, it doesn't. That's fun. That's a very fun problem to have. It is. So, could it be the content? Well, this is just for the bar, so the scroll bar doesn't get in the way. Which, yeah, makes sense. Is it the pivots? I don't think so. What is this? No. Yeah, this is pretty messed up. Canvas, image. Alright, I have to set a preferred height. Oh, actually, it could be the preferred height then. Flexible height, we'll do 510. I forget how this stuff works too. Preferred height, we'll do 3000. Okay, I think what I'm gonna do, revert this. I think what I'm gonna do is manually put these values. This height will be 20. This. Do not control the height, and then I can actually set the height 20. And now this one also needs to change. So it's kind of like this. I think that's nice. 170 maybe. So there's a little bit of padding here. And this should be pixel perfect. Yes, it is. Very nice. Alright, so I can put the padding back now, hopefully. 5, 5, I think it was. And the paragraph was 10. Yeah, that's what it was. Okay, so yeah, don't need this anymore, I guess. That's 20 high, 20 height. And then this is 170. Yeah, but once I start changing the size of this, it's gonna not look great, but whatever. That's a problem for future me. Okay, that's nice. This one too should be pixel perfect, nice, and it fits all in one line. Everyone's happy. Though, I don't like that this is here, the /C. Maybe we could get rid of that too. I think it's here because of the... There's like chat, quick channel change things that you could write. So like /C would open the global one. And I think it just writes the entire string instead of just the name of it. So let's see how to do that. Default tab channels. Okay, it's not that one. It must be this one. Yes. Then an icon goes there. That's what that weird emoji is supposed to change. Okay, let's see. This is not my code, by the way. That's why I'm like... I haven't needed to touch this in like forever. I don't think I touched this at all, so. So it's being used by this, by the UI. And this is what probably writes the name, text. Right, drop down. That's the drop down. Yes, okay. Oh, do I just do this? And maybe it'll just not show it anymore? Well, no. That also changes it in the thingy. I wish there was a way to set like the text versus the actual drop down values. Because like, even the drop down comes out messed up. Oof. Okay, let's do... Can I make this slightly smaller? Like 18 by 18. I wonder if it's okay if I just like... No, I want to go the other way. 19. 18. Just like slightly overlap with it, but I don't know. Maybe like that. preserve aspect, please? This check mark looks awful. I could use mine now. No, that one's even worse. Do I not just have like a straight up check mark? I guess I could just make one real quick. Just copy these that I have already. I hope that's doesn't look awful. We'll see. Check mark. That doesn't look bad. It'll do. I'm kind of wondering if maybe have it like this instead. No, that looks terrible. I guess like this? No, definitely not. Okay, just don't say it. Okay. Okay, so that's the template. So when it's selected, I think what I can actually do is just use the callback for when it's when the value changes, and then update the label to look correct, like I want it to. Let's see. I'll just do it in here. Might as well. I like updated everything else in here. Might as well. Let's see. So this initializes the drop down, and that's on start. Does this set one by default? It does. Okay, so I think what I want to do, maybe in here, channel dropdown on value change. This actually doesn't even do anything. I have no idea what that's supposed to do, but we'll just ignore it. Yeah, so once the channel changes, then we have to get the channel drop-down label? Oh, I'm just gonna do an ugly thing. Get child. Transform. Find. Label. For label. Okay, so label dot text equals chat channel data dot channel data index dot channel to string, right? Yes. So it just sets the text to that instead of with the hint. So hopefully this works. And then, yeah, let's pretend if it does work, that it should shrink, and then we could give a lot more space to the input field. Oh, it auto-updated. That's very fun. Unvalidate, I guess? Where the heck? How the heck did that happen? Is this execute always? No. What the heck? Okay. Channel drop down. Oh, is it called caption text? What is caption text? That's like, why are there no summaries ever? Okay, well, hopefully it works in a build, in the editor, I mean. In play mode, I mean. Oh my god, my brain is not working. It never works, to be fair, so. Is it a layout thing? Yes. Cool, let's call it 80. Alright, and hopefully that just works. And of course not. And it looks freaking horrendous. Oh, only when the value changes, actually. So maybe it initialize it as such on the start. Just gonna do one of these. Maybe I'll make a method, whatever. And then here, call it on 0. Since it's that by default, actually I can do it in here. But then the template now looks horrendous. So why does this keep updating? Like, it's saying I can stretch it, so maybe I will. Zero minus 30. Okay, that works. Let's try that. Actually, turn it off. Okay. And friends. It actually looks really bad, like guild. Yeah, this just looks really bad in general. The whisper one is not. How many times is this referenced? Like it's being initialized, which is fine. I'm clearly setting the label after. I don't know, this code is so confusing to me. So you need to drop down, it should do this. So why is it updating in the editor? That's probably what's messing it up in general. There's something else here? Chat controller? No. Does drop down have a script? Oh, I'm so dumb. I forgot that this is like Unity like does it through here, right? Yeah. Oh boy. Whisper. Okay, that was a problem. Okay. Okay, so that's that one. Need to make this wider. 40? No. 42. Also has like no padding. I should do like... Actually, I should probably shrink this to the scroll bar. Make it 5. Alright, that's probably better. And then... maybe I'll leave this at 20 like it was. And then this, 20. And then just have a little bit more padding here, like 5. Yes, 5 on each side. And just make it wider, like whatever, right? Minus 50. This just won't go to 0, but fine. Alright. Whisper and friends. Okay, this is just wrong. Oops, I walked off the dock. Whisper is friends. Killed is friends. Party is party. Okay, I still don't really understand why it's not updating right away. Oh my god, did I not save? Was that a silly mistake on my part? Let's try that. No, it just doesn't work at the start. I mean, shouldn't it call the... Well, I mean, let's see. I'm pretty sure it should call this like on start, unless the value doesn't change on start, which might make sense. Yeah. So I don't really know the least ugly way to do it. Maybe this refresh. Well, this does. Oh yeah, if the value changes. So maybe I could do like something giga ugly and do this. Even though this should just work, which I'm not sure why it doesn't, but whatever. Something, it might be like a race condition where something gets set after the fact, after this, and then it just messes it up again. Please work. Damn. No, for real, like what the fuck is going on? Like literally, what is the problem? I don't understand. Okay. I wonder if add options refreshes the shown value. Does this also emit a callback? I don't think so. Yeah, it updates the image, it updates the text. If bool caption text. Yeah, it finds the value, it gets the option. Again, I guess it just updates. Is -1 like not a valid thing, so I have to do like 1 or something, or? That could be it. It would be nice to also load in like whatever channel they had last open, but I don't know. Maybe that's a... I can't think of any game that does that, honestly. Bro, what the fuck? Why? Oh boy. Caption text. There's only updates with the whisper though, so... Detect channel hints is while typing, I'm pretty sure. Whisper... Oh, you know what it could be? That this... Does this recreate? No. I thought it recreated a game object, so I had to like wait a frame or something. Get or add component. Like this is such a useful tool to have, and you just left it in here. And private. I don't know what's going on, man. I don't got a damn clue. I don't got a damn clue. So this is initializing the dropdown. I literally don't understand why it wouldn't work. Like it's always the little things that like are the most difficult. Toggle expand. I don't even know what that is. I think I try to add this. Set default to local. I wonder if I just don't do this and then I try to like set the label explicitly. So set drop down label to the first thing. Or maybe, I wonder if there's a way I could force a, oh yeah, I could probably just force a callback on value changed. That would also do it, but I don't know, that just seems ridiculous to do. Okay, that didn't work, of course. I'm gonna try just forcing the callback. Just force it 0. The fuck happened to my, oh, okay. Dude, what the fuck? Why? Why is this being so difficult? Why is it being like this? On enable. This comes before start, so I literally don't understand what's going on. Okay. Let's see this again. Set the value, blah, blah, blah. System profiler, who cares? Yeah, if the value is not the same, it does all this nonsense, so. Maybe I should call this nonsense too. Value. Yeah, don't care about that. Okay, this. And then, yes, I want to send the call back. So you call dot on value change, dot invoke 0. Like, I don't know, if this doesn't work, then I'm copying exactly what they're doing. I think my initial hunch with it being the game object spawning in slowly, like I think that's probably what it is. So we'll try that after this. If that's not it, then I honestly have no idea. And either way, I gotta get going. So it's probably the last thing we'll be doing. Yeah, that didn't work. Okay. So just turn this to an IEnumerator. And then a freaking yield return null, so it's 1 frame. And then set drop down label to 0. Please work. Haha. Yeah, that's what it was. Oh god. You know, I thought the the MGUI toggles were bad, but this is just bad. And it's Text Mesh Pro. Whatever. That's just gonna have to do for now, so. Ah, okay. UI stuff. I don't even remember everything I did. That was such a drag. Alright. Thanks for stopping by, everybody. That'll be at the end of the stream. Follow if you want to watch, and search up Tombstone MMO if you want to check out the game. Take care.